Hey guys, if you clicked on this video, I'm guessing you're probably staring at a worksheet or something with negative exponents and maybe you're a little intimidated. You've come to the right place, okay? And it's probably not as hard as you think, okay? So, also, if you're needing other exponent videos, I will link a playlist in the corner. But let's get this done. Okay, so guys, negative exponents. What do we do with them? What does x times itself negative 5 times even mean, right? Like, what the heck? Okay, this is what we do with negative exponents. And you might think I'm lying, but I'm not. Okay, if you have a negative exponent in the numerator, you can move it to the denominator and it goes positive. Okay, same thing the other way around. If you have a negative exponent in the denominator, move it to the numerator and it's positive. Okay, there is a mathematical reason why this works, but I feel like if I try to explain it to you now, you'll probably switch videos, okay? So I'm not going to take the time to explain to you why. Maybe I'll make a video someday. Right now, I'll link a video of someone else who's made a video about it, and if I make my own one day, I will change it to mine. But there you go. So what we're going to do here is I've got this negative 5 here, okay? So if we follow this rule, I can move it to my denominator and have it be positive, okay? So what happens if I do that, okay? I'm going to still have the 9 on top. I'm moving this down, so I'm not going to write it again. So I've got 9y squared on the top, okay? On the bottom, I still have that 3. I have the x squared, and then I'm bringing this x to the negative 5th to the bottom, which makes it just x to the 5th, okay? So times x to the 5th, and then I still have that y, okay? When I multiply exponents, they have the same base. I'm just going to add the 2 and the 5, okay? So again, still on top, I'm going to have 9y squared. Over 3, I'm going to add these. 5 plus 2 gives me x to the 7th, y. Okay, now you might be tempted to say, oh my gosh, I'm done. I don't have any more negative exponents. We're close, but we want to simplify it, okay? So I've got y squared up here and a y down here. One of these y's can cancel with this one, okay? This is like y times y over y. So one set cancels, right? So I'm just going to be left with one y on top and no y's on the bottom. So that'll give me 9y over 3x to the 7th. And then I notice 9 and 3 can simplify, right? 3 goes into both of them. So 3 goes into 9 3 times. We still have the y. 3 goes into 3 once. I could write 1x to the 7th, but that's the same as just x to the 7th. So I'm going to write it like that. And that is my answer. Okay, I'm hoping you're like, okay, that wasn't too bad. Okay, hopefully it made sense and you can get your homework done. Bye.